Hello garden lovers, welcome back to the Garden Decor Designs channel, where we explore the art and science of creating stunning outdoor spaces. Today, we're diving deep into a topic that combines functionality with undeniable charm, the wooden garden beds design. Before watching this video, kindly please support this channel by clicking subscribe, leaving a comment or hit the like button, and sharing it with your friends and family. These versatile structures are more than just containers for your plants. They are design elements that can elevate your entire garden aesthetic. If you've ever considered adding a raised bed to your outdoor space, or simply wondered how to make your existing ones more visually appealing, this is the video for you. We'll be answering your most pressing questions and offering expert insights to help you cultivate the garden of your dreams. Let's begin by defining what we mean by wooden garden beds design. Fundamentally, it refers to the intentional planning and construction of elevated planting areas using timber or other wood products. Unlike traditional in-ground gardening, where plants are directly cultivated in the existing soil, wooden garden beds create a contained environment. It's about blending practical horticulture with thoughtful outdoor design, resulting in a functional, yet beautiful feature in your garden. Now let's explore the compelling benefits that make wooden garden beds such a popular choice among gardeners and designers alike. The advantages are numerous and extend far beyond mere aesthetics. Firstly, improved soil quality and control is a significant benefit. With wooden raised beds, you are not limited by your native soil conditions. You can create an ideal, custom soil mix rich in nutrients and with excellent drainage, tailored precisely to the needs of your plants. This is particularly advantageous in areas with heavy clay, sandy, or compacted soils. Secondly, wooden garden beds offer enhanced weed and pest control. The elevated nature of these beds creates a physical barrier, making it more difficult for weeds to take root and for common garden pests like slugs and snails to access your plants. This translates to less time spent weeding and a healthier, more productive garden. Thirdly, easier accessibility and reduced strain are key considerations, especially for those with mobility challenges or simply seeking a more comfortable gardening experience. The elevated height means less bending, kneeling, and stooping, making planting, weeding, and harvesting significantly more enjoyable. Fourthly, you can achieve an extended growing season. The soil within raised beds warms up more quickly in the spring and retains heat longer into the fall compared to ground-level gardens. This allows for earlier planting in the spring and can prolong your harvest into the cooler months. Lastly, wooden garden beds contribute significantly to space efficiency and aesthetic appeal. For gardeners with limited space, they offer a compact and organized way to cultivate a variety of plants. Visually, they add structure, definition, and a natural, rustic charm that can beautifully complement any garden style, from modern to traditional. How do I design my wooden garden beds to look beautiful? Creating wooden garden beds that are not only functional but also visually stunning requires thoughtful design choices. It's about more than just building a box. It's about integrating it seamlessly into your outdoor living space. First, consider the material. The type of wood you choose plays a crucial role. Cedar and redwood are popular for their natural rot resistance and beautiful appearance, weathering gracefully over time to a silver-gray patina. The finish of the wood also matters. A smooth, sanded finish will give a more refined look, while rough sawn timber offers a rustic appeal. Second, think about shape and proportion. While rectangular beds are common, don't shy away from other forms. L-shaped, U-shaped, octagonal, or even tiered designs can add visual interest and define different planting zones. Aim for a width that allows you to easily reach the center from either side without stepping on the soil, typically 3-4 feet. The height can vary from 12 inches for shallow-rooted plants to 18 to 24 inches or more for deeper root systems and improved ergonomics. Third, integrate with surrounding elements. Consider how your wooden garden beds will interact with pathways, patios, and other garden features. Use consistent materials or complementary colors to create a cohesive look. Edge your beds with decorative stone, brick, or even a different type of wood to provide a finished look and a clear boundary. Fourth, incorporate vertical elements and accessories. Trellises, obelisks, or arbors can be integrated directly into your wooden beds to support climbing plants, adding height and architectural interest. Solar lights, small decorative sculptures, or even a built-in bench can further enhance the aesthetic and functionality of your beds. Finally, thoughtful planting is key. The plants themselves are the stars of the show. Choose a variety of textures, colors, and heights to create visual appeal. Allow some plants to spill over the edges of the bed to soften the hard lines of the wood, creating a more natural and inviting feel. What are the best ideas for wooden garden beds design? When it comes to wooden garden beds, the design possibilities are extensive, catering to various garden styles and functional needs. Here are some of the best ideas to inspire your next project. One, classic rectangular raised beds. Simple, timeless, and highly functional. These beds are easy to construct and fit well into almost any garden layout, from traditional to modern. Their straightforward form allows the plants to be the focal point. 2. Tiered wooden garden beds. Ideal for maximizing planting space, especially in smaller gardens or on sloped terrain. A tiered design creates vertical interest and allows for different soil conditions or plant types at varying levels. You can grow herbs on the top tier, vegetables in the middle, and flowers at the bottom. 3. L-shaped or U-shaped beds. These designs are excellent for creating defined garden zones or wrapping around patios and seating areas. They provide accessible planting space and can act as subtle dividers within your landscape. 4. Elevated planter boxes on legs. Perfect for urban balconies, patios, or for gardeners who prefer to work standing up. These raised beds offer ultimate accessibility and can be easily moved if needed, though stability is crucial. They are often shallower than ground-level raised beds, suitable for herbs, salad greens, and smaller annuals. 5. Wooden garden beds with built-in seating. Integrate a bench into one or more sides of your wooden garden bed. This combines functionality with comfort, offering a place to rest, work on your plants, or simply enjoy your garden. It also creates a cohesive design element. 6. Rustic log or branch beds. For a truly natural and organic look, utilize logs or thick branches to construct your garden beds. This design style blends seamlessly with woodland gardens or informal landscapes, evoking a sense of untouched nature. 7. Cedar or redwood beds with copper accents. The warm tones of cedar or redwood pair beautifully with the gleam of copper detailing. This could be copper caps on corners, decorative copper elements along the sides, or even copper trellises, adding a touch of elegance and sophistication. 8. Pallet wood garden beds or upcycled design. An eco-friendly and cost-effective option, pallet wood can be repurposed to create charming and unique raised beds. Ensure the pallets are untreated and safe for gardening. This design often has a raw, industrial chic appeal. 9. Modular wooden garden bed systems. For those who prefer flexibility and ease of assembly, modular kits allow you to create various shapes and sizes by interlocking pre-cut wooden blocks. This offers a customizable solution without the need for extensive carpentry. Chun. Edimental wooden beds. This design combines edible plants with ornamental flowers for a visually appealing and productive garden. Mix vibrant vegetables, like Swiss chard or colorful lettuces with beautiful herbs and edible flowers such as nasturtiums or violas, creating a feast for both the eyes and the palate. Each of these designs offers a unique way to incorporate the beauty and practicality of wooden garden beds into your outdoor space. Remember, the best design is one that reflects your personal style and meets your gardening needs. Wooden garden beds are an indispensable tool for any serious gardener or landscape enthusiast. They offer a multitude of practical benefits, from improved soil conditions to enhanced accessibility, and their inherent beauty allows for endless design possibilities. By carefully considering the material, shape, integration, and accompanying elements, you can transform these functional structures into stunning focal points within your garden. We hope this comprehensive guide has provided you with the knowledge and inspiration to embark on your own wooden garden bed design journey. Now it's your turn. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with your fellow garden enthusiasts. Don't forget to subscribe to the Garden Decor Designs channel for more expert tips and creative ideas to beautify your outdoor living spaces. We love hearing from you, so leave a comment below with your favorite wooden garden bed design or any questions you might have. Happy gardening!